Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the location tags, the camera location tags on this device. But actually, before we will enter the camera, I have to mention about two very important features about which you have to remember before turning on the location tags, of course, if you want to work them properly. So firstly, we have to unroll the top bar, and the very first thing about which we have to remember is the internet connection. It can be, of course, for example, your mobile data or the Wi-Fi, it's up to you. What's more, another option we have to turn on is the location. So remember about the internet connection and the location. And after providing all of those the features, we can enter the camera. So let's do it. And now actually here we've got your device suggests you to turn on location tags. Of course, you can tap on turn on, but I will show you how to do it manually if you cannot see this option. So let me get back and let's enter the settings in the left upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the useful features section, and here we've got location tags. So all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher on it, and right now it is activated. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on it, but let me leave it like this. And now let's check if they are working. So let's take a photo, and now we have to enter the preview of it. In order to check the location, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on details. And as you can see here, we've got the exact location where this picture was taken. So greetings from Krakow, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.